Boys and their toys, Trump and Kim finally find a shared interest: big trucks. After a year of trading insults with Kim Jong-un, Trump recently seemed pained by his tense relationship with the North Korean leader. "I try so hard to be his friend," tweeted Trump, seemingly oblivious that his use of mocking nicknames like Little Rocket Man and threats to totally destroy North Korea may have left Kim less inclined to be Trump's pal. On balance, Kim's know better. He called Trump a mentally deranged dotard and, worse still, old. But perhaps the two leaders have more in common than they realize. State media photos released on Wednesday showed a gleeful-looking Kim climbing into the cab at a tractor factory in Pyongyang just as Trump did when truckers visited the White